Welcome to the Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. So, how in your business do you find suppliers and manufacturers? Well, one of the first steps I've always done is find a wholesaler. Find a wholesaler that is willing to share more information with you about where they get their product, which might be from a distributor, and then find out who's distributing to the wholesaler, and then talk to the distributor and find out who's doing the manufacturing and work up the chain on that to get to who the manufacturer is. Now, oftentimes it's not that hard to find out who the manufacturer is. Like 90% of the manufacturing is coming out of Shenzhen, China. So it's not too hard to figure it out. And it's not that difficult to find people that are Americans that live over in China that you can use as a segue into manufacturing to help you get in the door. Hey, I hope that was helpful, and we'll see you on the next episode of the day. I hope you found this video useful. Follow me right here on YouTube for more great content daily. Download my international best-selling book, Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone, for absolutely free at growfast.club. I say again, download my book at growfast.club for all of my 7-figure growth hacks. Get your copy now while it's still free.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God, it's beautiful.